Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel The Decor Diary, where we promote new feature and fresh perspective in home decor and discover new ideas, tips and DIY projects to transform your home into a beautiful heaven. Our goal is to help you see your home in a new light. So let's decorate and inspire together. In this video, you will see such a beautiful top trendy entryway decorating ideas 2025, stunning for decor ideas, and many more beautiful things. So, my dear viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more decor, inspiration, and ideas. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment below with your thoughts and favorites entryway decorating ideas. Top trending entryway decorating ideas are very helpful for your home decor. The entry is your home first impression. It's all about making a bold yet welcoming statement. This year's trend focus on functionality with elegant aesthetic from sleek, modern, ancient to organic texture. The goal is to create a space that reflects personality and set the tone for the rest of your home. On the top trend of 2025 is layering light. Homeowners are incorporating statements, pendants, lights, walls, and floor lamps to create a warm ambiance. Smart lighting systems are also gaining popularity. One of the best things about entryway decorating is that you can get creative and have fun with it. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and ideas until you find the work best for you. When it's come to entryway decor, it's all about making great first impression. Consider adding statement pieces like bold pieces, artwork, colorful rugs, and mirror decor entryway stand out. If you can looking for a modern minimalist look, consider using a neutral color petals and clean lines in your entryway. Add few carefully chosen decorative pieces to complete look. Nature inspired discovered decor is a great way to bring warmth and coziness to your entryway. Consider adding some plants or vase and mirrors, fresh flowers, and many more things that you will love. Lighting can make our break and ambiance of a room in your entryway. Consider using combination overhead lightings and table lamps to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Your entry is great place to showcase your personality and style. Don't be afraid to add personal touches like family photos, hairs, wasps. Space feels more like home. When decorating your entryway, it's essential to decor. Consider the flow of traffic. Make sure there is enough space for people move comfortably through the area. Console tables or bench can be a great addition to your entryway. Not only do they provide a place to sit and store items, but they can also add touch of a style to the space. Don't forget about the power of texture in your entryway decor. Consider adding textures or mats, rugs, or pieces of artwork textures and add depth and interest to space. Unlim- Ultimately, the key of to creating beautiful entryway, have a fun and be creative. Don't be afraid to try out ideas and see what works best for you. All well, a well-designed entryway can set the tone for the reset of your home. Consider the style, atmosphere, and want to create the choose decor that reflects. Don't underestimate the power of good rugs in your entryway. A stylish rugs and can warm texture, visual, and space. If you have a small entryway, consider using a wall mount shelves and console tables to maximize space. Artwork can be a great way add personality to your entryway. Choose pieces to reflect your style, interest. Consider adding some greenery to entryway like pots, plant vases with fresh flowers. This can add touches of natural beauty. Lighting fixture can be a great way to make statement in your entryway. Choose fixture that are style and functional. A console table or bench can be a great place to store keys, mails, and other essential. Consider adding decorative tray or basket to color cluster. Don't forget about importance of scales into entryway decor. Choose furniture and decor the your space. If you have grand inter space, consider adding some dramatic lighting or statement pieces of artwork. A style entryway can make a big difference in overall feel of your home. Consider investing in some quality furniture and decor. When decorating your home entryway, consider the flow of traffic and functionality of space. A bold color pattern can be great way and add visual interest to great. Consider adding statement pieces furniture. A well-designed entryway a great thing you can add and you can style your entryway with great way to make good impression on guests. In 2025, personalized decor is taking center stage in entryway design. Homeowner and incorporating custom artwork and gloss mirrors and frames was are truly unique. This trends ambience storytelling, allowing your entryway become visual introduction to who you are. Another key trend is the bold color pattern statement pieces such as vibrant rocks, bold pieces artwork, wasp visual interest on your entryway. Considered pairing bold colors and neutral colors tones create blank space and enhance your space with beautiful and interesting. And when it's come furniture, console table and benches are must have in 2025. Look for peace and with storage and decorative detail add personality to your space. Don't forget add some greenery like pots and add glass and vasks, flowers and some personal touches and enhance the natural beauty which look like a very beautiful and aesthetic look to your home, especially your entryway is the best impression for your guest. So, my dear viewers, transform your entryway into a stunning first impression. Add style console tables and beautiful mirrors and many more beautiful things. Incorporate greenery like plants and different other things. Thanks for watching my video.